Hi guys, and for today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply a fixative on your drawings. So what I have here is the fixative. Let's see the label if it's going to work in our drawing. So purpose, it can be used on pencil, charcoal and pastel drawings. So basically this will work on our portrait drawing like the one I did. So as you can see, when I touch it, it's smudging. So how we can protect our drawing using this one? Let's begin. So before we begin, I want to show you how fixative really works to your drawing.